Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Philips TAT2206 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset on them to the factory default settings. Now there's a couple reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting with your device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or the right ear, a hard reset is a good fix for a lot of these problems. The other reason you might want to do this is if you just want to wipe all of the pairing history off of these earbuds so that you can start fresh and pair them with a new device, we can go ahead and do that. The first thing to do is to go to whatever devices you've had them paired with in the past and have them forget these earbuds and then turn Bluetooth off on those devices. And then what you're going to do is on each of these earbuds, you're going to come in here and we're going to, on the button on the back, we're going to press once and then press and hold for 5 seconds. So again, press once, then press and hold for 5 seconds. That will automatically wipe everything off of these earbuds, restore them to the factory default settings, and enter them into pairing again so we can connect them as a new set of earbuds.